In today's video, I am going to teach you how to increase font size in Notion. If your pages feel a little hard to read, there are a few simple adjustments you can make right inside Notion to make text larger and more comfortable on the eyes, without changing your content or structure. First, the most direct way to make important text bigger is to turn it into a heading. Select the text you want to emphasize, then convert it to heading 1 for the largest size, or heading 2 or heading 3 for slightly smaller options. This is perfect for titles, section headers, or anything you want to stand out. Just keep in mind that headings also change the visual style and spacing, which helps with hierarchy, not just size. If something needs to be prominent and scannable, a heading is the right choice. Next, check the small text setting. In the top right corner of your page, click the 3 dots menu, shown as 3-dot. Look for the option labeled Small Text and make sure it's toggled off. When small text is on, Notion shrinks the body text and tightens spacing to fit more on the page. Turning it off restores a larger, more readable default size, which helps for long documents or when you are presenting your notes. If you want everything on the screen to appear larger instantly, you can use your device's zoom shortcuts. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and the plus key. On a Mac, press CMD and the plus key. Each press increases the zoom a bit more, so you can fine-tune until it feels right. This doesn't change the actual font setting inside your page. It simply scales the view so everything looks bigger while you are working. You can also adjust how text looks by switching the page's typeface. Open the Same menu in the top right and choose between Default, Serif, and Mono. While these options don't dramatically change the size, some users find that serif or mono can appear slightly larger or crisper, which can improve overall legibility depending on your screen and personal preference. To recap the flow you can use, convert key text into headings for a bigger look and clearer structure. Make sure small text is off for a comfortable reading size. Use the zoom shortcut on your device to scale the entire page and try different typefaces to see which one reads best to you. With these options, you can dial in a setup that keeps your workspace readable and easy on your eyes. Thanks for watching.